I'm going to quickly review how we run the multiple regression models using StatTools. If you remember, we have to first go into StatTools and use the Dataset Manager to create a dataset. So I'll click on Dataset Manager and I will click on New. We want to set a new dataset, and I'll just take the default name of dataset number 1. I need to enter an Excel range. So I'll click on this, select the range icon, and now I will come over here and navigate and drag to select these cells. Notice I'm including the first row that it includes the labels, and I'm selecting the 20 rows of data. I'm not selecting the rows that have the min, mean, and max of each column. I'll select the range for my data and click OK. And now I have defined my data set. I'll click OK. Now I'm ready to run regressions. I'll go to the Regression and Classification option on the StatTools menu and choose Regression. And I will choose a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. For this data, the dependent variable is going to be the car trade-in value, and I will first run a model that has only sticker price as the independent variable and click OK. Now I get a new worksheet that has the StatTools output. Later I'll show you how to copy and paste this into a Word document, which is how you'll be submitting your homework. Now I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet that has the original trade-in data, and I might do a regression model, and instead of sticker price use the mileage as the independent variable and click OK. And here is the output for that model. I'll go back to the original data set, and what we're doing now is running regressions that have more than one independent variable. This gets us into a multiple regression model. So I'll run a model with sticker price and mileage both being used as independent variables at the same time. I should also mention that when we're running multiple regressions, we want to leave the regression type option as multiple. Don't use the stepwise forward or backward method. So I'll do a multiple regression, and then I will click OK. And here's the output for a multiple regression model. Notice I have two independent variables, sticker price and mileage. Here are the coefficients, the standard errors, the t-statistics, and the p-values. You're also seeing the f-ratio and the p-value associated with the f-ratio, as well as the adjusted r-square, all of which will be explained in this unit.